Here, in the heart of the natural world, lies a sanctuary of life, our lakes. These shimmering bodies of water are not just picturesque landscapes, they are vital components of a healthy ecosystem. They provide sustenance for a diverse array of creatures, from microscopic organisms to majestic birds of prey. But the tranquility of these waters is increasingly threatened by the impact of pollution. Industrial waste, agricultural runoff, and plastic debris are choking the life out of these precious ecosystems, jeopardizing the delicate balance of nature. The consequences are dire, not just for the wildlife that call these lakes home, but for humans as well. Polluted water sources can lead to a multitude of health problems, impacting communities that depend on them for drinking water and sustenance. Protecting our planet's freshwater resources is a responsibility that falls upon every one of us. Just as a single raindrop can contribute to the might of a river, each individual effort, no matter how small, can make a tangible difference in the health of our lakes. Community involvement is paramount. When people come together, united by a shared purpose, they become a force for change. Imagine a group of volunteers, their faces reflecting the passion in their hearts as they work tirelessly to remove debris from the shores of a beloved lake. Their actions not only restore the lake's beauty, but also inspire others to join the cause. Organizing a local cleanup event is simpler than one might think. It begins with a spark, a shared desire to make a difference. Reach out to friends, family, and neighbors who share your passion for the environment. Together, you can choose a lake that holds significance for your community, a place where your collective efforts can have a real impact. Remember to contact local authorities to ensure you have the necessary permits and support. Set a date, spread the word, and gather the necessary equipment. Gloves, trash bags, and a shared commitment are all you need to make a difference. Chapter 3. Unmasking the culprits. Types of waste. The shores and depths of our lakes often reveal a disheartening array of waste. Plastic bottles, discarded fishing lines, and food wrappers are just a few of the culprits that plague these once pristine environments. Understanding the types of waste we encounter is crucial for proper disposal and, more importantly, for prevention. Plastic, in particular, poses a significant threat. Its durability, while useful in many applications, makes it a persistent pollutant that can take hundreds of years to decompose. We must strive to minimize our reliance on single-use plastics and opt for reusable alternatives whenever possible. Chapter 4. A stitch-in-time pollution prevention. Preventing pollution requires a collective shift in mindset, a recognition that our everyday actions have far-reaching consequences. Embracing reusable bags, water bottles, and food containers is a simple yet powerful step towards reducing our environmental footprint. Proper waste disposal is paramount. Never underestimate the impact of ensuring our trash ends up in designated bins and recycling centers, rather than littering our landscapes and waterways. By making conscious choices that minimize waste and promote sustainability, we can safeguard our lakes for generations to come. Chapter 5. Guardians of the lakes, governments and organizations. While individual actions are essential, the role of local governments and organizations in maintaining clean lakes cannot be overstated. They are the architects of policies that promote sustainable waste management, regulate industrial discharges, and protect our water resources. By supporting organizations dedicated to lake conservation and advocating for stronger environmental regulations, we lend our voices to a chorus demanding change. Let us remember that protecting our lakes is not just an act of environmental stewardship. It is an investment in the health and well-being of our communities. Outro, a ripple effect, our shared responsibility. As we have journeyed through the challenges and triumphs of lake conservation, one message rings clear. The power to protect these precious ecosystems lies within each of us. By participating in local cleanup efforts, we become stewards of our planet, demonstrating our commitment to preserving its beauty and bounty. For those inspired to delve deeper into the world of lake conservation, I encourage you to explore the resources provided in the description below. There you will find links to organizations dedicated to protecting our freshwater resources and information on how you can get involved. Thank you for joining me on this journey of discovery. Together, let us be the generation that ensures our lakes remain vibrant havens of life for generations to come. Subscribe to my channel for more environmental tips and join me in making a difference.